The physics of golf is deceptively more complicated than one might imagine. At first glance, it might appear as simple as swinging a club and hitting the ball, but in fact, there is quite a bit more to it. There is the importance of technique, obviously, but there is also some interesting physics that goes into making that perfect golf shot. So, what is it that goes into helping you make that great shot? First, let's take a look at the physics involved in the making of a golf ball. Golf ball or the Haskell ball is multi-layered and has dimples on it. The high restitution core allows for more of the energy from the golf club to be transferred to the golf ball on impact. The dimples on the ball account for creating turbulence in the thin layer of air surrounding the ball. This actually helps because the dimples then scoop the air backwards towards the back of the ball. By moving the air to the back, it keeps the air pressure behind the ball from dropping. And by doing this, the amount of air pressure pulling the ball backwards is decreased. Moving on to the golf clubs, we see that there are a variety of clubs used for different shots. Each club has a different angle. The driver has the lowest angle and the rest of the clubs follow. A putter has an angle of 0 degrees but is used only for a very vertical shot. You must have noticed grooves on the club face. The grooves on the club face grip the ball during the impact and impart a backspin on the ball to help it remain in the air for a longer time.
How does the angle of the club affect the distance covered by the ball? हाँ सर.
ड्राइवर जो होता है 9.5 डिग्री होता है, जो जिससे लॉन्ग ड्राइव करी जाती है, ठीक है. और पटर से पटिंग करी जाती है, वो तो आपने देखा ही है. और आयरन शॉट जो है, लाफ्ट एंगल जो होता है सैंड बैच का जो है 54 डिग्री का होता है. सैंड शॉट से जो मारते हैं.
सो एंगल कैसे इफेक्ट करता है रेंज पे?
डिस्टेंस का कैसे करते हैं? ओके, डिस्टेंस कैसे करते हैं? जैसे आपका 100 यार्ड शॉट है, तो आपका पिचिंग बैच से आपने हिट कर दिया, राइट. और 150 यार्ड है, आपने 8 आयन से हिट कर दिया ग्रीन के लिए. और 200 यार्ड है, आपने डिसाइड किया कि 3 वुड से मेरा ग्रीन चला जाएगा, तो आपने 3 वुड इस्तेमाल कर लिया. ये होता है. ओके.
हाँ.
ड्राइवर शॉट का एंगल जो है 8.5 डिग्री तक है और 9 डिग्री तक का भी होता है, और उससे सबसे ज़्यादा दूर जाती है.
A proper golf swing obviously has an enormous impact on your game of golf. The golf swing has physics written all over it and is a great example of angular motion. The twisting swing produces torque on the club. This torque force changes the angular velocity of the club, causing rotation. Most club heads weigh about the same, so the key to being able to hit the long ball lies in the club head velocity. The faster your club head is going at the bottom of your swing, the greater the amount of kinetic energy that will be transferred from club head to the ball, because the kinetic energy is proportional to the mass of the club head and the square of its velocity. According to research done by a physicist, for every club head speed, there is an optimum club angle and it is inversely proportional. Now, moving on to the aerodynamics of the ball in the air. The distance the ball travels will be determined by the initial speed of the ball, the angle at which it is hit into the air, and any spin that has been imparted on the ball by the club. The optimum angle for a simple trajectory motion to achieve maximum distance is 45 degrees. However, with golf, because of the spin on the ball, wind resistance and other factors, this angle is generally less for maximum distance and varies from one situation to another.
So, this is the physics that goes into making that perfect shot.